Quick video, I want to show you how to reset any cordless home phone that you may have. Now this particular one is a VTech. If you have a VTech or an AT&T, it does take special instructions, which I did make a video for. Just go to the very end of this video and you'll see a link to a YouTube video I made on how to reset a VTech or AT&T. Now if you have another brand like a Motorola, Panasonic, RCA, whatever brand that you have, the majority of them you can reset by just doing one simple thing, unplugging it from the wall, or just unplug the power to it altogether, and taking the battery out, or just unplugging the battery, and let it sit for about a good 30 minutes. Plug everything back in, and then see if that will reset the base in the phone. That usually does the trick. If for whatever reason that doesn't work, one thing you can do is take it off and then hold down the on button and don't let go, and then hold that down for about a good 20 to 30 seconds. And a lot of times that will reset it. Sometimes there is a reset button on the side that you can hold down, or a lot of times there's like a little pinhole where you can put like a little, but it'll say reset on it, where you can put like a little paper clip in it. But let me know, put in the comment section if this worked for you, and tell me what brand you have. Do you have a Panasonic? Do you have a RCA? Tell me exactly what brand that you have. AT&T?